We're showing the video.
Which one is forward and which one is back? Which one goes close? Which one goes close?
This one goes close and this one goes back.
Okay, what's T for and W for?
I don't know.
Let me record. Let me record something. Pause it. Bob Brian.
That's it. I thought, well, 1 chair, 2 chairs, 3 chairs.
5 chairs, 2 chairs, 3 chairs. Yeah. He probably can beat you up.
That's very possible.
Somebody that wears me out beating you up.
You wouldn't have very hard time beating me up if I'm a devout coward. Of course, you may not get a lot of pleasure out of it either.
Brian, not violent.
Now take it. I mean, it was this.
No, this is what your loving mother-in-law gave me.
Take a picture of that. Jessica, take a picture of that.
Look in the mirror. Take a picture of you taking a picture. Yeah. Little tater head on the top. I didn't vote for that.
Oh, Nana. Come on. John Michael. Tell a joke.
I tell you, I wasn't going to
No one.
pick up the paper.
Yeah, give her a box back.
Well, this is a puzzle box. High school football.
Move, Bubba.
Lasagna.
I think we've had enough pictures of the lasagna. Let's take pictures of people.
You missed the grapes.
Move it. Before I take a picture of you.
Well, all you got was this t-shirt.
Be careful. Hey, Papa. Yours. What? Tell a joke. Tell a joke.
I think 1 in 10 is actually good.
Jessica, give me a grape. Give me a grape. Now, if there's a word flashing at the top. I'm facing right at you. Tell a joke. Taking a picture of the TV. I'm doing the TV.
Start bringing me the small plates and I'm going to put small plates.
What's that? Is that close?
You can tell when they're
Ooh, I got close.
Watch that camera and you see it doing like that, which is what it's doing. Pictures are basically.
See, that'd be good for to see what it looks like, what they're doing. But even myself, I.
Oh, gosh! You're taking a picture.
Oh, what? Ooh, your hand's cold.
Yeah,
Ooh.
I got leaves in my hair.
I bet you do. What you doing, Teddy?
Hey.
What you doing?
He's becoming a leaf man.
He's got leaves stuck in his ears. Happy Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving to you too.
What do the leaves in your ear do?
I don't know.